Hello everybody, I'm here to talk about what is electrolysis. There's so much stuff happening in here and we've been stuck with this diagram, and so what I've tried to do is I've tried to animate the diagram to explain what is happening in these enagic machines, what's this electrolysis, why is it so powerful for our health. So let me just go to this. We have an anode and a cathode, and this is kind of reversed if we're using batteries, but in this, because we are alternating current, it's cathode and the anode is the minus. So as we run our water through our machines, the H2O, right, what happens is it triggers the iron, sodium, calcium, magnesium, and potassium. These are your positive minerals that go directly to the minus because positives and minuses attract each other. And on the other side, we have these negatively charged, these acidic minerals. So the ones on the right, iron, sodium, calcium, magnesium, potassium, these are your electrolyte minerals. These are the minerals that you need for health and well-being, so your body's not actually being voided of them like this reverse osmosis water or distilled water. So as the water gets charged, this is what happens. We're creating a hydroxide ion, and on the other side, we're creating a hydrogen ion. And how this happens is the hydroxide ion gets released with the charge, so we're splitting the H2O on this side, and on the other side, to create this hydroxide ion, we're releasing the hydrogen ion, and this happens, what happens then is we're creating this oxygen gas on this side, and on the other side, we're creating this hydrogen gas. So electrolyzed reduced water is happening right in front of us. And the way we create this hydrogen ion is we release the electron that's in this molecule. And you know, electrons being donated to us, this is what we want. We want electrons, we want lots of them because we're being bombarded by free radicals. So we need lots of electrons. So when we add the hydrogen ion and the electron, this becomes a massive antioxidant. This is our electrolyzed reduced water, and this is where a lot of life ends up getting changed. So down this pipe, the acidic water would then go down, okay, and this is the water that we use for other things like cleaning, disinfecting. And on the other side is where the beautiful Kangen water gets created. So with that being said, let me show you with this video this is at the enagic facility where they build our machines, and they have this demo that's set up for distributors to see and for people to actually witness this hydrogen gas being created, this hydrogen ion and electrolyzed reduced water. So remember, Kangen water means all those. This is where all the science is. So let's look at this. You could see the actual bubbles coming off, a gas being created. So the black line is H2 gas, the white line is the oxygen gas. So as we see it again, you could see through that, it's just amazing hydrogen being produced. So hopefully this taught you a little bit, and I say use this video, okay? Have an awesome day.